Students, today we are going to learn multiplication of integers. As you know that multiplication is repeated addition. Now you see the example here. 2 plus 2 plus 2 which is 6. Here I added 2 3 times. That means 3 times 2 will be written as 3 into 2. Let us find this product on the number line here. 3 times 2 means as it is positive 2, you start from 0. You have to take first time 2 steps, that is 0 to 2, and 2 to 4 second time 2 steps, and 4 to 6 third time 2 steps, which is 6. Now the next one, 3 times minus 2. So start from 0. As it is negative number, 0 to minus 2, first time minus 2, minus 2 to minus 4, second time minus 2, minus 4 to minus 6, that is third time minus 2, which is minus 6. Now here, minus 3 into 2. Minus 3 times 2 means the number of times it won't be negative. So we can take 2 times minus 3. So you start from 0. 0 to minus 3 first time minus 3, minus 3 to minus 6 second time minus 3, which is minus 6. Now come to minus 3 into minus 2. Here minus 3 times positive 2 means we move backward. Minus 3 times negative 2 means we move forward. So 0 to 3 first time, 3 to 6 second time. So which is 6. From this we understand that the product of two positive integers is always positive. The product of two negative integers is always positive. The product of one positive and one negative is negative. Now here, remember the symbol multiplication. Plus into plus is plus, minus into minus is plus. Plus into minus is minus, minus into plus is minus. When you multiply the same signs, you will get positive. When you multiply different signs, you will get negative. Now, remembering this symbol multiplication, let us do one interesting table here. Now here is a table. We have 5 integers horizontally and 5 integers vertically. Let us multiply this. First with 2 we will multiply all these integers. While doing multiplication, first multiply the symbols. Plus into minus minus, 2 2s are 4. Plus into minus minus, 2 1s are 2. 2 zeros 0. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Next we will multiply with 1. If you multiply any integer with 1, you get the same integer. 1 minus 2s minus 2. 1 minus 1s minus 1. 1 zeros 0. 1 1s are 1. 1 2s are 2. Now with 0 we are multiplying. 0 multiplied by any number you will get 0 here. 0 minus 2 is 0. 0 minus 1 is 0. 0 0 is 0. 0 1 is 0. 0 2 is 0. Now here minus 1 into minus 2. Minus into minus plus 1 2s are 2. Minus 1 into minus 1. Minus into minus plus 1 1s are 1. Minus 1 into 0, 0. Minus into plus minus 1 1s are 1. Minus into plus minus 1 2s are 2. Now here let us multiply with minus 2. Minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4. Minus into minus plus 2 1s are 2. Minus 2 into 0, 0. Minus into plus minus 2 1s are 2. Minus 2 into 2 means minus into plus minus 2 2s are 4. Now you observe here, these green blocks indicates that we multiplied integers with same signs. So we got positive product. If you multiply these red blocks, we multiplied integers with different signs. So we got negative here. Now I think you understand. Students, let us learn division of integers. Before learning this concept, observe this table here. And here is a multiplication facts. And every multiplication fact we have two division facts. 5 2s are 10. As you know, it is a fact. In this, 10 is a product. If you divide 10 by 2, we get 5 as the quotient. If you divide the same 10 by 5, we get 2 as the quotient. Second example you see. 3 into minus 4 is equal to minus 12. Plus into minus, minus 3 4s are 12. It is a fact. If minus 12 is divided by minus 4, we get 3 as the quotient. The same minus 12, if you divide by 3, we get minus 4 as the quotient. Now see the third example. Minus 6 into minus 9 is 54. Minus into minus plus 6 9s are 54. It is also fact. If you divide this 54 by minus 9, we get minus 6 as the quotient. If you divide the same 54 by minus 6, we get minus 9 as the quotient. If you observe the division facts here, a positive integer is divided by a positive integer, we get positive integer as the quotient. If a negative integer is divided by a negative integer, we get positive integer as the quotient. A negative integer is divided by positive integer, we get negative integer as the quotient. A positive integer is divided by negative integer, we get negative integer as the quotient. Now you see the symbol rule. Symbol concept you see here, plus divided by plus is plus, minus divided by minus is plus. If you divide the same signs, we get positive integer as the quotient. If you divide the different signs, plus divided by minus is minus, minus divided by plus is minus. If you divide different signs, we get negative integer as the quotient. Let us compute some problems here. 8 divided by 4. Both are positives. So when you are dividing two integers, first divide the symbols. Plus divided by plus is plus, and 8 divided by 4 we get 2. 4 2s are 8. Now minus 20 divided by minus 5. Minus divided by minus is plus. 20 divided by 5. 5 4s are 20. Which is 4. 12 divided by minus 6. Plus divided by minus 6 is plus divided by minus is minus. 12 divided by 6. 6 2s are 12. Minus 81 divided by 9. Minus divided by plus is minus. 81 divided by 9. 9 9s are 81, which is 9. I think you understand the division of integers, and you know how to solve all the integers using 4 fundamental operations using addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Next session we learn very important concept, that is properties of integers. Thank you.